brand new campus feel, big electives, real ways to belong. If middle school momentum matters to you, Britton is a strong pick. Hi, my name is Caroline Hobbs with the Rise Real Estate Group. I'm your local South County Realtor and School Scout. In the next few minutes, you'll know how Britton works: academics, electives, clubs, sports, student supports, family logistics, and exactly what to ask while you tour. Britton follows California standards with a clear through line to high school. 6th grade focuses on routines and executive skills. 7th and 8th grade ramp up writing, lab science, and math placement, so students can reach Algebra 1 on pace for AP Math later. Teachers use small group rotations, station work, and common assessments so kids get feedback quickly. As for electives, they typically include band and choir, visual arts, drama, and stagecraft, technology and media, leadership, and intro to engineering and robotics. Ask which ones are running this year and how elective requests are prioritized, and whether students can adjust schedules at semester. Clubs respond to student interest. You'll commonly see robotics, math club, drama, art club, engineering, GSA, yearbook. Leadership students plan rallies, spirit weeks, and service projects. Encourage your student to hit the first month activity fair to find a fit. After school sports are a low barrier way to belong. Cross country and track and field, basketball, soccer, volleyball, wrestling, and softball. Tryout dates post on the school site and morning announcements. Coaches hold lunchtime interest meetings, ask about grade eligibility, academic requirements, and transportation after practice. Assignments live in a consistent digital platform, so families can track work. Teachers offer office hours or tutoring block. The counseling team supports schedule questions, conflict resolution, and transition to high school. If your student has an IEP or 504 plan, set at the beginning of the year meeting to align supports with each teacher's classroom routines. As for safety, Britton uses positive behavior interventions and supports to keep expectations clear and hallways calm. Phones stay tucked away during class time, and staff are visible during passing periods and lunch. Ask to see where students gather at lunch and how supervision works. As for the after-school programs, families who need coverage can look for district-expanded learning partners, including homework help, enrichment activities, and supervised time on campus. Confirm what's offered this year and how dismissal and sign-out works. As for logistics, traffic moves fastest when families follow the posted car line map and arrive 10 minutes off peak hours. If your student bikes or walks, review the safest routes and where to lock bikes. For absent work, email teachers the same day and check the digital platform for makeups. Here are a few questions that you should ask while you tour the school. First, how are students placed in math and how can they move lanes? Next, where do kids eat and hang out at lunch? Who supervises them? Show me the tutoring space, the counseling office, and the library. And lastly, which electives are guaranteed for 6th graders and what opens up in 7th and 8th grade? If you want a copy of my Britton one-pager for electives, sports, and other tour questions, comment Britton below and hit subscribe for more videos. My name is Caroline Hobbs and I'm your local real estate source. Be sure to reach out and hit subscribe for more videos like this. I'll catch you in the next one.